Alright everyone, WeaponCollector here. I thought I'd do a video of all my knives, or a couple of videos of all my knives, because I was watching Dwayne Meyer's knife collection one and I thought I've never shown all mine before. So this will be part one of possibly 2 or 3, I don't know. This is all my folding knives. But I'd just like to say first that a lot of these knives I might not know the names to, because a lot of them I buy from shops, and I buy them, bring them home, take them out of the boxes, put the boxes in the loft, keep all the boxes. So most of them I don't know what the names are of them, or who they're made by. A lot of them don't have any marks on them saying who they're made by. So if I don't, some of them are old and I bought them off people, so if I don't know the names, just sort of ignore that. Right, so I'll start going through some. Well, I'll start up here first. This is my only genuine Swiss Army pan knife. All the others I've got copies. There's a coffee one there. There's one. This is pretty good. Quite a lot of different tools. Screwdriver. There's the bits for it. You can Allen key bits. And pliers. There's pliers on it. Scissors, blade, and various other things. This weird knife. It's like a fake Damascus pattern on the blade. Line lock. This is a multi-tool with like a fishing skinning knife, I think. Here's the multi-tool, the Leatherman type thing, blades and that, various blades, saw. Right, that's that. And then the other thing with it, you get 2 of these blades, but I've taped them up because they're quite dangerous. They keep sticking through the sheath, and you have the handle, push this little bit up, slot your blade in there, close it, and then you've got like a filleting knife, I think. This goes with that. I just included it because it's got a blade on it, it's a folding blade, so. Like this. I can't remember what these are called now. There's it compared to a normal. Up nice, you can just see the size of it. Great big massive knives these are. Pretty funny thing, Malcolm got me that John Day Rambo. And his girlfriend. Little thing called a scarab, which is a little multi-tool. Some blades inside there, on both sides. Another little multi-tool type thing. This one's got scissors and various things in it. Tin opener and all that. Another multi-tool type thing. Various blades, saw and all that. Show you this yellow. That's the old Boca Magnum stiletto. No idea what this knife is. It's all steel, it says Duke on it. Very weird. I got that for my birthday or Christmas, can't remember. A weird little... Can't get it to focus properly. Got that. Self-assisted knife. Bottle opener with different tools on it. Pantograph knives or pantographic knives. Two of them, two different guns. Actually got three. But a little lock knife, not lock knife, sorry, just a ordinary little pen knife. Tiny little knife that used to be part of a lighter that was in shape of a mobile phone.